My name's Ethan Lierly with Cast Industries. What we have here is a simple 3-piece collet adapter for your angle grinder. Allows you to use all of your 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch tooling. If you're an electrician or a plumber, you can cut and deburr your conduit in less than 30 seconds. 1.25 inch tubing in less than 30 seconds, cut and deburr with your cutoff wheel and deburring tool. Replaces using a compressor with the use of electrician and cordless die grinder.
Enter your market-ready invention in the successful Farming Innovations Showcase Contest for the opportunity to win professional consultation and national media coverage. The deadline is June 30th. Enter today at agriculture.com/innovation.